and welcome to BrandBytes, my low-calorie, high-impact brand strategy appetizer by me, Suzanne Tulien, brand clarity expert with Brand Ascension. This BrandByte number 1 is all about realizing the use of words in creating internal brand culture, brand-relevant marketing messages, and highly memorable customer experiences. And as always, we start with the heart of the organization's brand DNA. Did you know that the vocabulary you use in your daily business operations impacts the perceptions of your employees, your leadership culture, and your customer experiences? Sociologists agree that vocabulary is a powerful tool in the creation of energy, mood, and perception in and among the business brand environment. For example, in your work environment, you could be hearing a lot of "no problem" as a response when it comes to asking others to do something for you. If that phrase were simply converted to "my pleasure," the overall tone and sincerity in that response elicits a whole new elevated energy. The shift in phraseology is so powerful. 5-star brands like the Ritz-Carlton uses this and other carefully selected brand vocabulary terms to train their entire staff in setting the upscale tone for their internal and external communications. This conscious use of words keeps the brand aligned with its promise and affirms cognitive resonance with its market. So, ask yourself, from the internal standpoint, how does your brand's style or personality really show up through how you communicate to each other from the top down and vertically? Have you thought about incorporating language that reaffirms your own brand values? Bringing this technique into the consciousness of your culture will alter the way your employees behave, produce, and respond to their surroundings for the better. Now, in the external or customer-facing perspective, and the area of service excellence, we intuitively understand that the way customers are spoken to, that is, the language and communication they experience from your employees, is a key factor in customer satisfaction and business success. Here is your opportunity to build a communication style that reflects your overall brand personality. Your customer's perception of the conversation with your employees include aspects of language that convey respect and openness to hearing the other's ideas and opinions because of their specific tone of voice, speed of speaking, their gestures they use, and overall body language like eye contact, posture, and facial expressions. Your brand style plays a role in how the delivery of service impacts the overall experience of the customer. The question is, are all of your customer touchpoints designed to be congruent with what they expect from your brand promise? This matters because congruency builds trust. So brand vocabulary is just one of the transformational outputs that turn into useful tools for our brand DNA clients to elevate internal and external perceptions. So I challenge you to answer, what's in your brand DNA and how can you leverage those components into areas like all your customer touch points, even your proposals, your internal communications, your website, right? Your sales collateral, onboarding programs, on-hold messaging, email signatures, advertisements, and there's so much more. So that's my BrandByte for this time. I hope you didn't get too full. For information on this step-by-step business branding process and my book, Brand DNA, or a brand assessment breakthrough session with me, go to www.brandascension.com and remember, your brand is your business. Thanks for elevating conscious branding in your business.